Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here in this question, we have been asked to find out the value of acceleration due to gravity in centimeter per minute square. So as we know, acceleration due to gravity g is equals to 10 meter per second square. So let us convert it into centimeter per minute square. So we will write 10 meter can be converted into centimeter by multiplying with 100. So it will be 100 centimeter divided by second square. So second square can be converted into minute square by dividing with 1 divided by 6 square. So from here we will get g is equals to 36 multiplied with 10 to the power of 5 centimeter per minute square. So this is the required value of g. So in this